Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Dutch Guy's Garage. Today, we are going to be doing Dutch's Deal of the Week, where we showcase Aspens, Volares for sale across the country, and the deals to be had out there. So, let's get started. This week, our focus is on this 1979 Plymouth Volare Duster. Now, it's a pretty nice car, blue in color. One thing we do notice is it does have Super Coupe flares. Another thing we do notice is the front bumper appears to be 76, 77 Aspen, and the grille is a 78, 79 Aspen grille also. So it's a little bit of cluster of different parts. Looks like the seller is asking about $15,500 for it. Fresh 360, rebuilt transmission, a couple other things done to it. Looks like it's got a nice purple cam to it. Overall, not a bad looking car. Got some Craigers on it. Maybe a little bit of offset to them. 6-pack hood scoop. And 78, 79 louvers. So, looks like an overall very decent car. Let's move on to the next picture. We have our another side shot. But looks like we got a tack, a couple other things. Don't see a lot of rust, so that's good. Another side shot from the front. Don't see really any hood rust. Usually we see some hood rust right at the bottom around the grills on some of the 78, 79s. Does have sport mirrors. Looks like the chrome's blacked out. So, yeah. 79 tail lights. Does have the 3-piece spoiler. So, kind of put it out of the question. It probably is not an original Super Coupe, so it probably just has the flares put on. But quarters look solid, rockers look solid. Overall, it looks like a very decent car. Let's see what else we got. Looks like it comes with spare parts, radio, seat belts, some extra trim. Not bad, not bad. Trunk seal looks like it is broke. Interior seat looks like it could be using a recover. Dash is a little bit cut up. Dash bed is cracked, but the center console lid doesn't look bad. So moving on to the under the hood, looks pretty decent. Cowl cover is missing. I'm never a fan of black interior or black engine bays, but it is what it is. But yeah, there's some more details on the motor and all that other stuff. Looks like a pretty solid drag car, weekend car candidate. I think he's a little skeptical on the 15.5. I think realistically this car is probably right around more of the maybe $10,000 range for a realistic sell. I'd want to see pictures of the underneath before I'd want to move on anything about it. But by judging by the rest of the car, we could hopefully guess that maybe we have some decent frame rails under there. But overall, nice car for what appears. So there's the contact info there. This car is on Marketplace. So, but thanks for watching, guys. This is Dutch's Deal of the Week. We're going to do this every week. Focus on another Aspen Volare every week. So, appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate you guys tuning in. And always remember, they don't move until you do. America.